Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. It's Will here over at FXAUDUSD.com. First of all, welcome to the video. So we're coming to the end of August 2020. It's been a fantastic trading month so far. We're on a bit of a 7-week winning streak. And this video is going to give you your free signal for the week ahead. So if you took the signals last week, it was on the Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and Aussie Kiwi. They were the free signals, and you should have made around 200 pips between those two pairs. They were two great setups. So this week we're going to be trading the AUDUSD. And before we get started, if you're new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's get into the setup. Okay, it is on the Aussie USD, and let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, we're on the weekly charts here, and where are we? Okay, into the weekly. Okay, so what first I'm going to do here is draw this Fibonacci from down here. Okay, you can see from this huge move down from 2018, we are at the 61 Fibonacci line on that trend down, the retracement. Okay, we'll go back to the weekly. You can also see we're at some weekly areas here. We'll just zoom out a little bit. Okay, we are at a key old support area here. Okay, price, if you look at price action, even on the weekly charts, you can see here, price action is slowing down. We're getting the wiki candles, a lot of indecision. Last week we had this bearish pin bar candle. I don't really look at candlestick patterns, but this kind of candle here tells me that sellers have started to come into the market. Okay, we are at the 61 fib line. We are at this weekly area here, okay, from before. Okay, things are lining up nicely on this. We'll zoom into the daily chart. Okay, and first thing you can see here, you can kind of see the steepness of the trend here, and then it starts to slow down. It's starting to round off here, but more importantly, inside this weekly area on the daily charts, we're getting these divergent signals. Okay, you can see the last push up into the area, then the market's moving sideways. It still could push up a little bit further, but I'm liking everything's lining up for a nice selling opportunity here. Okay, and once it breaks this kind of trend here properly to the downside, we're going to get a huge drop, and that's what I am anticipating happening in the week ahead. Okay, if we zoom in again to the 4-hour charts, we don't really need to. It was a trade I took last week also. This week it's going to be the exact same entry price, and you can see last week we got this last push up higher, created the new high, and the market moved down. What I'm expecting this week is, I kind of think that's the last high in this trend. The market's going to push up to around this area here and then plummet to the downside. Okay, you can also see this kind of rising. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting to happen here, and the market to break down through. Okay, everything's lining up. We're at that 61.8 fib, very important fib line. We're at this weekly area. I'm expecting a move to the downside. So the trade this week is, let me just get this. Okay, this week's setup, it's going to be a selling trade. Sell. So it's sell AUD USD at 0.722. Stop loss. Okay, going to do 120 pip stop loss at 0.734. Okay, and take profit is going to be at 0.68, and I'll show you that in a minute. So that's the trade setup. As always, trade at your own risk. Okay, this is just advice. This is what I'm doing. As always, you are your own person, so you make the decisions yourself. Okay, so we'll just move this. Okay, so screenshot that now. Sell AUDUSD at 0.722, stop loss 0.734, take profit 0.68. Okay, and let's see the take profit, the reason why. Okay, basically take profit is going to be around the 50 Fibonacci line here. Okay, it's an easy target when market, and it kind of will move fast. Once it breaks this line, it will move fast down towards this area. Okay, so that's the anticipation for the week ahead. Again, as always, trade your own risk. If you want to sign up to the full service, remember we've started the new daily signal service, which is included in your plan. If you sign up today, you will actually get access to both the weekly service and the daily service for a 2-in-1, and you will lock in the price for the lifetime of your subscription, because in the future, as the daily service grows, we will be charging a separate fee for both services. So it really is a good opportunity to get in and access both services for the same price for the lifetime of your subscription. So simply click the link below, head over to the website, hit the big yellow button that says yes, I want this, jump in, and you'll be able to access the full list of trades for the week ahead, and more importantly, access that new daily signal group. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. Well, at fxace.com. Have a great week and happy trading, and I'll see you on the next video.